Hello, I am Vivek Bajpayee. Now I am going to start ICSC Maths Class 10th Mensuration is the lesson name and 17-point exercise part number 2. Question number 8. The two spheres of the same metal weight 1 and 7 kg. The radius of the smallest sphere is 3 and the two spheres are melted to form a single big sphere. Find the diameter of the big sphere. Both spheres weight 1 plus 8 kg. Weight of the big sphere is 8 times the weight of a small sphere. Then volume of the big sphere is equal to volume of the two small sphere. Volume of big sphere 4 upon 3 into pi r cube, and volume of the is both small spheres 8 into volume of the small. 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is cancelled, and the r cube is equal to 8 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then r is equal to 2 into 3 6. Diameter is 2 into 6 12 centimeter. A hollow cylinder, a hollow copper pipe of a inner diameter 6 and outer diameter 10 is melted and changed into the solid cylinder of the small height as the pipe. Find the diameter of a solid cylinder. Diameter of inner cylinder 6 and radius is 3. D2 is 10 and the radius is 5. Then volume is equal to pi 5 square minus 3 square into h is equal to 16 pi h. Then volume 2 pi into r square h, then pi into r square h, and the 16 pi h is equal to pi r square h. Pi is cancelled, h is cancelled, r square is equal to 16, r is equal to 4, then diameter is 8. Next, hollow sphere of internal and external diameters of 4 and 8 respectively. It melted into cone of the base diameter 8. Find the height of the cone. Volume of the hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube 4 upon 3 pi 4 cube minus 2 cube 4 upon 3 pi 64 minus 8 4 upon 3 pi into 56. Volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then 1 upon 3 pi into 4 into h, and then volume of the hollow cylinder, volume of the cone 4 upon 3 pi into 56 1 upon 3 pi into 16h, 4 into 56 upon 16, then h is equal to 14. 11th number simple. A well with the inner diameter 6 is dug 22 meter deep. Soil taken out of it has been spread evenly around it to a width of 5 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Solution. Volume of the soil pi r square h, pi into 3 into 3 into 22, it is 198 pi. Then volume of the soil pi capital R square minus small r square into h, pi 8 square minus 3 square is equal to h, pi 64 minus 9h is equal to 55 pi h, 198 pi cancel, h is 198 upon 50 pi, it is 3.6. A cylindrical can of internal diameter 21 contains water. A solid sphere whose diameter 10.5 is lowered until the cylindrical can and the sphere is completely immersed in water. Calculate the rise in water level assuming that no water overflows. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube 4 upon 3 pi into 10.5.2 whole cube. Then volume of the cylinder pi r square h, pi into 21 upon 2 h. Volume of the cylinder, volume of a water rise by sphere. Pi into 21 upon 2 h equal to 4 upon 3 pi 10.5 upon 2 3, then h equal to 4 upon 3, and write all the numbers, and ultimately we get 3.5 upon 2, it is 1.75. 13 number. There is water to height of 14 is cylindrical glass jar for the radius 8. Inside the water there is a sphere of the diameter 12 completely immersed. By what height will the water go down where the sphere is removed? The volume of the water is cylinder pi into 8 into 8 into h. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube 4 upon 3 pi 6 into 6 into 6. Volume of the sphere, volume of the water 4 by 3 pi 6 into 6 into 6 pi into 8 into 8 into h, then 8 into 6 upon 8 into 8 h, then h equal to 9 by 2, it is 4.5. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone is filled with water to brim. Its height is 20 and the diameter 16.8. The two equal solid cones are dropped in it so that they are fully submerged. As a result, one third of the water in the original cone overflows. And what is the volume of each of the solid cone submerged? Volume of the cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h, 1 upon 3 pi 22.7 into 8.4 into 8.4 into 20 upon this one. Then after calculation 1478.4, then 1 upon 3 into 1478.4 is equal to 246.4 cent. A solid metal circular cylinder of radius 14 and height 12 is melted and recast into small of H2. How many such cubes can be made from the solid? Volume of the cylinder pi r square h, 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into 12, 44 into 14 into 12. Volume of the cube side 2 into 2 into 2 upon 8. The number of the cube 14 into 44 into 14 into 12 upon 8, it is 132 into 7, it is 924. 16 number. How many shots of each having diameter 3 can be made from the cubitical lead solids of the diameter 9 into 11 into 12? Then the volume of the cubite, the volume of the shots are 4 by 3 pi r cube. After calculation we get 84 numbers. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, share and watch my channel. Thank you.